Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got my hair like this. These are Havana twists. Before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe down below as well as turn on the notification bell so you're notified when I upload. If you would like to see how I get this hairstyle, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, so I'm super excited to film this video today. One of the things that is really important to me across my entire channel is really teaching you guys how to do beauty related things yourself. I think it's very important as well as less expensive to learn how to do just the basic things yourself, whether that's simple makeup look and regular natural hair looks, as well as something that's a little bit more intricate that involves a little bit more steps. And I think this is one of those hairstyles that is really great to just know how to do if you want to do a protective style for your natural hair. So the first thing you need is about 6 packs of hair, depending on how thick or how thin your hair is. I would say maybe you would need about 5 packs depending on how thick you want the twist. I actually buy 6 packs, but for my entire head I only used I think 5 of the packs. But it's really good to have an extra, especially if you want to do smaller twists or you underestimate the sections or you overestimate the sections, or just anything can happen when you're doing this hairstyle. So I just recommend you go ahead and get 6, no matter the thickness of your hair. With the hair, I choose hair colors 2 and 4 to give it a little more dimension. The shade number 4 is slightly browner and number 2 is a bit darker, just a little bit. So the next thing you need is a comb, and I like to use a comb that has a really pretty sharp rat tail end of it, so I can really get clean parts in my hair. And then a few things that are optional. If your hair is a bit more curly, then you may want to blow dry your hair just a little bit before you get started. So a blow dryer is optional, as well as heat protectant if you decide to use the blow dryer. I personally don't have a heat protector, so what I did was I just added a little bit of almond oil to my sections and then blow dried it. And the last thing that you need is a boiling pot of water, and that's for the end. You want to seal the ends to make sure they don't unravel up your hair shaft. As you can see, the rest of my head is done, and I'm just redoing the front section because my hair was starting to puff up. It's been raining a lot here in Memphis. You can see that I have a section right here. I have not cleaned up the part yet, but I'm just showing you how big the section is here. With the actual Marley hair that I showed you guys in the beginning, I go in with 2 pieces of the hair. If you want thicker twists, you can use 3 or 4, but I wanted a medium, small kind of size twist, so I used 2. They're put together because this is a older piece. I'm just retwisting my hair, but they would be more separated if you are doing this for the first time. I actually did 2 methods. I did the braid first and the twist second. Similarly to how I did in my twist out tutorial, I did that for really all around the center of my head, and on the bottom edges as well as the front edges, I did the invisible method to make the twist look more like my real hair. So the first thing that I'm going to do is actually clean up the part. And then so for the invisible method, you part it straight down the center. When I originally created these twists, I actually put jam at the roots. I'm just gonna do it without that. What you wanna do is you wanna take the middle of the twist, place it in between the 2 parts that you've made with your section. Put it as close as you can to the base of your head. Then you want to hold one side tight and twist one side to where your hair and the Marley hair is locked together, and you want to hold this section while you're twisting the other section, so it's really a juggling act. Okay, and once you have them twisted together, twist close to the base. See, I'm just twisting it around and then bringing it down. I do want to be honest with you guys, so I'm showing you a failed attempt. This is not what I want. I want the extension part to be a lot closer to the base. Just take it down, and it's okay to start over. I mean, don't beat yourself up. So I'm gonna do it again. The same exact thing, but I'm gonna try to twist it a little bit tighter, because the reason why you would have that is if you don't have one side twisted tight enough, or if you don't twist close enough to the base. And that is exactly how you want it. Okay, and then I just kind of slowly release it by just pulling up on the twist so it doesn't unravel too much. And there you go. That's how I do the twist. And I'm just gonna repeat that, all of the sections. And I'm kind of keeping the same sections that I originally had, just cleaning the parts up. So I finished the front, and the way that I kind of do them, I don't do them too tight. People actually have been thinking that this is my real hair. Now I'm going to fix a few of the ones in the back. You can kind of see that I braided here and then I twisted down here. Well, at the twist points, it was raining and my hair poofed up, so I'm going to fix a few of them, just taking down a few and then just retwisting it, really flattening it against the twist. All I did was braid to a certain point and then I started twisting the exact same way as in my twist out tutorial. And I really could have redone this one because it's kind of like weird looking right here, but I don't feel like it. Now you can see the difference between the two. The top one, that's how I was looking at first, and this one looks a little bit more neater. When you're flattening it, I would just kind of pull it down as you're twisting. So pull down, twist. Pull down, twist. This kind of flattens it into the twist, pulling down until you get past your real hair, and then just, you don't have to pull down that much once you pass that. And it's really, really easy. Honestly, it's extremely easy. The only difficult part is doing the invisible method, and that just takes a few times and then you'll have that down pat. But like the ones in the middle where I just braid first and then twist, super, super easy. And the last thing that I did was I just took the ends and dipped it in some boiling water. And yeah, that's how I do my Havana twist. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.